Yo, what's going on, peoples? What's going on? What's going on? Sorry, I'm late. Just got back in the house. Let's find some music for us. Let's go Spotify today. Let's go Spotify. All right. Volume up. How's everyone doing today? So let's get myself organized here. Alright, let's catch some trades. Trump's face. Alright. Last day of the month, last day of the week. Let's go. Halloween. Let's launch some super charts. And we want GJ2. Cool. All right, so gold has been ranging all morning. It's been ranging since I left it this morning. Very shitty price action. I don't say a shitty price action. But so gold is currently bearish on the daily time frame. So yesterday, Asian session, gold woke up, it opened and then pushed. I had a mad push during Asian session. I anticipated it would continue up a bit more, not gonna lie. Thank God I don't trade Asian session, because I think I would have got smacked. But it opened, pushed, and that's why we've got this long daily top wick. I think gold potentially re-breaks the high and pushes back up. I do. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, look, we've got the resistance which held last night. We've created a support, and currently, I mean, the last two candles have respected the previous lows. So we have this 4-hour candle closing in 40 minutes. I think gold, you know, fills the wick and continues up, because we do have this bullish structure on the 4-hour right here. So my drawing's gonna pop back up. So gold pippin was right yesterday to call gold retesting the day before's highs. It took its time doing it, but it did push up to end the day. Very slow push up, but you know, it did push up. So right now we have this support at 39.95. We do have a resistance here at 40.23. Where's Asian highs? Okay, we got Asian highs all the way up here. So I think gold continues up. Look, we got this kind of bullish structure. We're making higher lows. So we're not really getting much of a push down. And the higher time frames are respecting the previous lows as well. So let's go gold. A very nice push up. Now there's nowhere for me to have got in right now, you know, not with how price is, not with the structure, the current structure. But if gold manages to close above 40.23 in the next 7 minutes, I'm looking to jump in some buys. Because then the daily candles flipping bullish. The daily candles flipping bullish, and obviously the 4 hours bullish. So and would be breaking, well, we won't be breaking this resistance, but I do think we do push above that resistance and keep going. So what do we think, guys? What do we think? Gold's gonna close bullish today. It's gonna be pushing up. Going gold to the moon, to the moon. Where's my chat? I can hear it. Let's go to studio. And gold is moving right now. What a candle. Go on, gold. Right, where's my chat? Echo. Hey, Echo. How you doing? How you doing? Rosie. How you doing, Rosie? Pop out chat. There we go. What you guys? What's your thoughts on the markets today? What are we looking for? What are you looking for today? We bullish on gold? We bearish? I mean, let's see this monthly candle. So I'm glad this monthly candle is pushing back up and we're getting more of a body. I do think gold pushes up today. To be honest, weekly, what do you reckon? You reckon the weekly might flip bullish? Close bullish? I don't see that. I don't see that, I'll be honest. It's very ambitious. Bit too ambitious. And highlight chat. Boom. All right. Sorry. Sorting out the stream. Right, let me I feel like I have my stuff, my situation sorted out right here. Get set up properly. Sorry. I need one of those things that has the mic, like hanging in the air, so it's not, you don't hear every scratch and scrape of my desk and the vibration. In fact, I'm gonna buy one of those after this stream. Little floating mic. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. All right, cool, good. What's up, Benny? Thoughts on GJ? You know what? You're right. I haven't even looked at GJ. All right, so GJ is currently bearish. So we had that push up yesterday after yen interest rates. Hold on. This light is very bright. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Damn, like blinding me. David Lloyd, this girl's bugging. All right. So yeah, GJ currently on the daily, very bearish. It's pushed up, respected yesterday's low. It's driving down. Look at the 4 hour actually. 4 hours broken his previous lows. We have a nice downtrend structure on the 4 hour too. So 30 minutes closing below the support. But look at this. Look what GJ did yesterday after our trades. Pushed back up, retested this resistance again, and then eventually fell. Now it didn't even fall far because the entry was about 202.58 yesterday. I mean, look at this. Ugh. And imagine it's only moved down 35 pips since yesterday. Not even that. But you know, with GJ does like to have that end of the month Friday sell-off. It does. Got the closure below, but I don't know, man. So what's this? Yeah, I got trust issues with GJ. Sorry, why is GJ gold zoomed in like that? So gold didn't close above that resistance and it's still below the daily flip. I mean, we still have 30 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close, but I would, if gold can close above this 4 hour resistance with this current 4 hour candle, I'd definitely be in the buyers. Full margin in them buyers. But I'm not really feeling how it's rejected this resistance here, to be honest. Gold might range today. Don't say that. Don't say that. No, I think gold is I think we'll get some movement out of gold today. I think the daily flips bullish, re-breaks yesterday's high and then keeps pushing up. Because yesterday's candle was a very strong candle. It engulfed, I mean, it pushed up past the bodies of the last 2 days. So I think we get a push. I think we get a good push. USD JP. Why, I presume you mean? I don't trade that, bro. Tell me, what's going on with UJ? Sell it to me. I prefer GJ, to be fair. Yeah, UJ is not a pair that I'm a fan of. It normally looks the same as GJ. Nope, slightly different. GJ's fallen though. GJ was the move. Ooh, look at that. Looks like UJ's gonna drop. Respected the highs, broken the lows. I can't even do analysis on a pair I don't trade. Don't make no sense. Because, I mean, the dollar's been pushing since interest rates. So that's why it's bullish right now. Looks like it's just ranging. So yeah, no. Rosie's and GJ sells. Good luck, good luck. GJ's looking, it really looks like it wants to push down. We've got this clean range to the left. I just don't like the structure of pound yen. I really don't like the structure of pound yen. It's not very, I like it on the 4 hour. I like it on the 4 hour, but on the 30-minute, the way it's been pushing down, it's not been very clean. It's not been very clean. Gold now. Look at this 1 hour candle. Nah, gold looks like it wants to push up, man. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. How many people? Got 200 people in here. I need some more likes in the chat, guys. That helps me out greatly. Helps me out greatly. Trying to get to 500. Trying to get to 500 subscribers. We're getting there. I don't ask for nothing else. Just hit that like button for me. Oof. Wow. Man. Go GJ. Go on now. It's right. Gold sells. We're gonna get the gold sells. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen on gold, okay? This is what's gonna happen on gold. Alright, so this current candle is gonna push, it's gonna break above this resistance here, which is also this 4 hour level 2. The new 4 hour is gonna open. So we're going to close above. It's going to make a bottom wick that respects this resistance. We're going to tap into it. And then we're going to take the buys. We're going to fill this wick to the left, which is here. And we're going to keep pushing up. That's what's going to happen today. And our entry is going to be that new 4 hour candle. That's the trades. That's today's trades. Are we in it? We in it? We in it? We still got like 21 minutes left. There's so much time left in this candle. So much time left in this candle. I would have liked it to mess around a little bit before it blasts off, but the further away we get from this range, the better. What, go on, yes, break these highs. I don't want this candle to leave a wick like to the left. All right, gold, push, push, push. Morning, morning, morning. What's going on, Ash? I kind of gold M5 double bottom. I think gold is gonna push today, you know. I really believe gold is gonna push today. Are you in? Oh, nope. Oh, yes. Just woke up and saw it. Hopped in the buys. Let's rock it. Yes. So my plan right now is actually for gold to, I'm gonna have to wait for this 30-minute candle to close, which is all good to me. I want this 4-hour candle, this current 4-hour, to close above 40.26, and then I'm getting in on the next candle, like straight. I'm getting in. I want a little pullback, little bottom wick. I feel like today we might get one of those really tiny 4-hour candle bottom wicks that gold's been doing recently, and then take off. So that's what I'm hoping for today. Go on now. What's your target? What's your target? I really think gold is gonna push today. Like, looking at the 4-hour as well, how the 4-hour is making a nice uptrend structure. We're breaking this resistance. Like, I think we get a good push. I like the daily. So the daily already broke the high, so I think the daily it's already rebroken it, and I think it continues up. We had a really nice strong bullish push yesterday, you know, broke these 2 previous candles, daily candles. I love it. I love it. At least to the top of Asian range. And then, yeah, above. I'd like 4,085, but maybe I'm being extra. Gold could do that today if it wanted to. What's up here? What's that? 4,085. Okay, near that gap. Near that little gap. I was actually thinking gold could potentially flip bullish on the weekly. I was thinking we might close with a weekly bullish candle. That was very ambitious. It's very ambitious, but gold could do it if it wanted to. Gold could do it if it wanted to. I still think the H4 double bottom looks good. Think it would bring it higher, closing the gap. That gap has been on my mind since it was created. Why is that there like that? I think the same about the weekly turning bullish. Hey, stranger things. In fact, Let's see what market is saying. I haven't really looked at market today. Let's check it out. End of the week, end of the monthly. Gold's gonna get some more body. Exactly. Exactly. Do you know what? You literally you missed the beginning. You missed the beginning of my stream where this is everything that you're saying is what I said. I said this monthly body is gonna it's gonna fill out this monthly top wick and it's not gonna close with a weak body. I said the weekly, I believe the weekly is gonna flip bullish. And gold is gonna push today. So yeah, man, we're here. All right, what am I doing? Sorry, I can see gold in the corner of my eye, and it's just this current 30-minute candle is just going crazy. We are locked, man. We're in tune. We're in tune. We're in sync. We're in sync. All right. Oh, look at this headline. This headline just came in and just gold faces bearish pressure. The fuck it does. Sorry to swear. Nah. Alright, pullback level 40-45 bullish target. Nah, I think this bearish target is gonna change. I think it's gonna change. I'm gonna keep an eye on that, but I don't think that stays the same. What could push price here? Nothing that's going on today. Cool. Chinese PMI stabilizes or improves, supporting global demand and risk appetite for gold. Nah, I ain't worried about none of that. All right, gold. Nothing really going on, I think, fundamentally to look at, to be honest. I just wanted to see where they had like their predictions and stuff. But I do think gold pushes. How long we got left? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I don't want this 4 hour to close below 4,026. That's what I've been saying. And leaving a top wick like to the left. If it does, I think there might be a chance of this resistance being respected and we sell back down. But I really am hoping that's not the case. And then we get a lower high. But based on the lows, look, we're getting higher lows. So I think the buys look better. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah. Buys look way better. I think so. I think so. I think so. GJ turned on me. It did turn on you, didn't it? Look at GJ. I mean, what did it do? Come back to your entry, I guess. It's not over yet. Still got 8 minutes. Still got 8 minutes. A lot of time left. Boom, boom. A lot of time left. Gold, what are we doing back here? What are we doing back here, gold? Look at this pullback. Oof. What's that? 100 pips? Jeez. Yep, 100 pips. I mean, that the only thing is, that's why I was concerned with gold pushing up so quickly with so much time left in the candle. I like when gold pushes towards the end of the candle. Why is this not working? Oh, there we go. Cool. Perfect. Get out of here. Right, so sort out my magic keys. Get ready in case we get into a trade. All right, cool. Just push back up. Just close above this resistance here. That's it. I don't want to stay stuck within this 4-hour range here. And then create a potentially lower high. Let's see what gold's saying. 27. All right, last 5 minutes. No, this is like, it's the make or break 5 minutes. Playing games as per usual. Nah, gold's alright, man. Gold is alright as long as, what's that? As long as it closes above this resistance here and above this 4-hour resistance, I think we're good. But I need it to push up a little bit. I don't want to leave a long top wick like these candles to the left. And then I think we get the buyers, but all right, we've got 3 minutes. Just get back to like 40, 30. We're good. We're good. We'll be looking good still. Look at that pullback. Ooh. Right. Don't want price to get trapped under that 4-hour resistance. Exactly. 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 So above 4026, 4025 would be a great place to close. Below there, I don't know. But what gives me reassurance is that look at the 4-hour lows. All these 4-hour candles have respected the lows, and this current 4-hour candle has broken that previous high, so it's not that bad. Hola. You're from Chile. It's your first time here. Wow. Hey, Duolingo's paying off. Hola. Hablo inglés. No. Yeah, hablo inglés. ¿Tú hablas inglés? Come on, gold. GJ still looking good though, Rosie. Hope you're still in those cells. Still looking good. Come on, 1 minute. 1 minute to go, gold. Come on. This is where the candle can flip. Exactly. 2 minutes. Hey, gold can still push, you know. Gold can still push. It's not looking great though, is it? It's not looking great for us. Ugh. I think we wanted it too bad. Gold was like, not today. Come on. And look, this 5 minute don't have no bottom wick. Oh no, it's dropping. Oh man, gold don't want us to be great. It don't want us to be great. Gold does not want us to be great. Go on, 10 seconds. Go on, 10 seconds, 30 pips. Let's go. Come on. Go, go. Quick. As soon as you read that headline, it started dropping. Oh man, this is not good. This is not what we wanted. This is not what we wanted. This is not what we wanted. Look at this. Do you know what? It's not exactly what we wanted, but it doesn't mean that gold won't push. It just means it might be a harder push up. Nah, man. I actually said this is definitely not what I wanted. These wicks to the left, all of this area here. But it doesn't mean gold can't blast through. Yes, okay, good. Gold can still push. Got that 4 hour, we got a 4-hour bottom wick. It retested the daily flip. Didn't get the closure above that resistance. Oh man. Like, at least just give me a little bit of my setup. Do you know what I mean? So I can take the trade. If at least I got a closure above, I could consider, you know, getting in still. Gold kills me. Jeez, Gold D. Gold is it's let me down today a little bit. It's let me down. The setups are not setting up. I don't know, if we don't get this wick film, we start pushing back down in the range. I don't know, I still like the buys because of the structure. I do. It's just where to get in. What's beeping? This whole week, the hateful candle at the beginning of NY session have not been the best. Do you know what it is? It's this bloody time change. I'm telling you, it's this whole 1 hour behind business. It's been off. It's been off in London session. It's been off in NY session. It's not aligned correctly. It's really not nice. But thank God this weekend we're back to normal. Thank God. What's beeping? I think it's these headlines. It is the headlines, I'm sure. Audio. Hear new headlines and read aloud. Hell no. Read aloud, you know. Are they alright? Mute site. Could you imagine? It's gotta be these. Fed Logan's inflation too high and likely to exceed. Like, it's moving too much. Keep still. Okay, so someone in the Feds is talking. That's why we're getting loads of announcements. Now, the Feds talking could impact gold. When they? Oh, he's speaking. Literally, he's already speaking. Chicago PMIs. I ain't worried about that. Unemployment claims stayed low, which is not bad, though mindful of recent layoff announcements. The headline signals persistent inflation above the Fed's target, raising doubts about further rate cuts and suggesting the Fed may need to maintain an even tighten policy. This stance is likely to pressure US stocks and bonds, support the USD, and influence gold as it disappears. Lovely. As a defensive asset. Okay. Nah, I ain't worried about that, honestly. Gold does not look like it wants to push right now, does it? Come on, feel the wick. What's the 5 minute looking like? Okay, do you know what? Not bad. 5 minutes still got this bullish structure right here. I mean, The daily candle's still bullish. The daily candle is still bullish. It's not like gold pushed up to the daily candle, retested it and dropped back down. It broke it, came back, retested it and stayed above. No, I think we push still. I think we push still. I think we push. Come on, Goldie, let's go. If it breaks this previous 4-hour high, I think we get a push. Come on. No, we're not far from it. What's that, 50 pips? Might be able to get in. Might be able to get in. Nah. I was thinking on the next 15-minute candle, but nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Come on, gold, I got my seatbelt on. End of the month blast. Such a wicked month candle. A wicked month candle. It is, yo. It is. I think it pushes, though. I do think it pushes. I do. Like, 4-hour time frame has been doing this quite a lot. Like, with the wick fills. With the wick fills. I mean, look. Yesterday, for example. You know what I mean? Gold pushed up. Came back down. And then what happened? Just filled the wick. Filled the rejection wick. And then just kept on going up. So, I think it blasts off. Alright, 15-minute candles about to close. Kind of looks like it doesn't really like a continuation pattern actually. Let's see. 15-minute bottom wick push up. Didn't break this last high. It's a very strong candle. You know, engulfed the body of the previous 15-minute candle. Come on, gold, what are we doing here? Came very close to breaking the 4-hour high. Bro, gold is struggling. Struggling. Well, to be honest, you can't expect it to just keep constantly pushing, can you? It's gonna move when it moves. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Slow push. It's gonna be a slow trickle up, kind of like yesterday, where it was I wasn't slow yet. No, I kind of was slow yesterday. It was up, down, up, down, up, down. It was. As long as gold stays above this resistance, I think it's good to keep pushing. As long as it stays above, daily stays bullish. I mean, we've retested the daily flip. We just don't need no headlines. I think the only thing that will mess us up is like Trump dropping a headline. I think that would be the worst thing. Alright, come on now. This is where we flip. This is where we flip and push up. I'm not gonna lie, this 30-minute time frame does not look good. This 30-minute does not look good. Just needed to refill this wick. Keep going. Come on, just break above this 4-hour high and we're good. Lord. Ah, come on, gold. Don't struggle for us on a Friday. What's your target again? My target for the buys is... My target for the buys, honestly, it's... it sounds crazy, but my target is either... Nah, it's like... If I'm being realistic, 4126. 4126, all the way up here. 4126. The moon. I do. I want gold to fill this gap. If it don't fill the gap today, it needs to fill the gap next week. But you know, sooner rather than later. Heaven and stars. That's it. All the way. God mode. Bless you. Alright. We just need one person to doubt gold for it to rocket. Yo, gold is gonna... Oh, we got NYSE open in what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Wait, is it 15 flip bullish yet? Ah, yeah, there we go. Come on now. Candle's about to end. This is when we go crazy. Right, gold? It's when we go crazy. It's time. Candle's about to close. This 5 minute time frame don't look great. Nothing looks great, unfortunately. Just don't let us be stuck in this terrible range, please. Not liking these wicks, man. Not liking these wicks. And in fact, this 30 minutes didn't break that high. Not liking it. Not liking it. GJ's chilling. 15-minute. Might get a 15-minute continuation pattern, but it's not my favorite time frame for that, to be honest. It's not my favorite time frame for the continuation pattern. I prefer 30 minutes and above, honestly. Come on, gold. Did it get to Asian highs? Nope. Asian highs all the way up here. Damn, didn't even give us a nice closure on the 15. How'd this 30-minute close? Ooh, it's the ugly close. Very ugly close. Very ugly close. I don't know, guys. I don't know what gold's trying to do here. We just need one candle to blast off. Just one candle just to push and just get out of this range here. And then obviously we need to clear this next 4-hour range, which is right above 200 pips away. You know? So we need a good push. A real good push. Let's see what gold does. Is it coming back down, making just a bottom wick? Hopefully it's just a bottom wick to keep pushing. But in terms of a setup, I mean, finally have this closure above this resistance, because none of these candles closed above. But I mean, we have this resistance to the left, we've got this resistance, you know what I mean? There's so many levels to the left. I would prefer if gold just, you know, we had a strong candle that just closed. Wait, where'd it go? Like above one of these resistances as well, instead of, you know, creating these wicks and long top wicks as well. Ah, look at the 4-hour. Oof, do not want this 4-hour to flip bearish and create a lower high. I said that at the beginning of the stream. Don't want this resistance to hold and gold push back down. But the only thing that looked good was the fact that these previous 4-hour candles were respecting the previous lows. Ooh, look, we've broken the previous 30-minute low. Come on, gold. Come on, nah. when I see the daily, I just think you've already broken the highs, you've re-broken the highs. Like, it should push up, it should continue bullish. It's just taking its time about it. Do, do. 30-minute. I did not want the 30-minute candle to be breaking lows. Did not want that. Honestly, you want the candles to be trending bullish, like these ones to the left. Nah, I don't think we get end of the month sell off though. But shit, you never know. You never know. This price action is terrible. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And he said it's Friday markets. Oh, don't get started. It's not even just the Friday. It's Friday markets. It's end of the week markets. It's end of the month markets. You know what I mean? It's everything. It's everything. It's everything markets. Hey, I knew this was gonna change, you know. I had a feeling this was gonna change. I had a feeling. So bullish target is now 40.45, which has been, it's been a regular price, 40.45 on this. Been very regular. Slightly bullish. Yeah. Let's see. Well, we're bouncing around a daily flip. Hopefully this is just a retest. Continue pushing up. I still don't know where I would want to get in though. That's the problem. Like strategy wise, obviously I like the closure above. I like the closure above. I couldn't take the flip because I don't have a long bottom wick, and it's broken this low, and I don't have strong confirmations that it's going to fill this wick. So I think I would have to wait for structure. I would have to wait for gold to push up. I'd have to wait to push up, come back down, create a support to then buy up. That's the only way I could get in from like a low point. So yeah, very tough price action today. Very tough price action. And gold's still coming down. Retest this little minor 5-minute support. It's breaking that support. Hey, gold, aye. This 4-hour candle is exactly what I did not want to see. Of all days, it decides to make a decent bottom wick. Just don't come back too much further, gold, please. Oh. What a little wick up. Hopefully just the M5 retest. Hopefully. Gold games, words. Only fit like, hopefully it is just a retest, but I don't like this 30-minute candle. Look, it's respected the high, it's broken the low, it's broken both lows actually. Is that the 1 hour? No, yeah, 1 hour is still good. But it's broken these last two 30-minute lows, so I don't know if this candle leaves a long bottom wick and flips bullish, or if it just, you know, before it closes, leaves, you know, creates a small bearish body. But look at that. Yeah, definitely needs some structure before anything. Needs some structure. Which isn't a bad thing. Gives us a nice place to get in. You know, might just be, you know, it's making a little high point, come down. As long as it doesn't come all the way down here and break this low below 4,000, 4,005, then it's still an opportunity for gold to create a support and come up anywhere above this support. Anywhere there, up there, boom. A lot of time left in this candle. Ooh. Gold is not playing games today. Oh, it is playing games. It is playing. That's exactly what it's doing. What's the 1 hour looking like? I mean, we still got. It still made a high on the lower time frames, right? I mean, on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, as long as we stay above this support. Oh man. But if you think about the price action yesterday, that's what gold was doing. It was pushing up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back, pushing up. Like, we don't have nothing like really driving price up, so it's going to be a slow push up. If it does push up. Arranging trend, right? Right. Exactly, a ranging trend. Very tight range, but pushing up. You know what I mean? Alright, new 15-minute candle. Let me get rid of this resistance because it's been broken. No bottom wick on this 15. Oh, I do have one on my broker actually. Alright, 15-minute. What are we doing? I would have loved for it to just make a little bottom wick and then push up. Respect this low. Dum. Come on, gold. Back into the 20s. 40 20s. Let's push right back up. Come on now. See, I arcs nicely. I arcs nicely. Come on, 4020, please. There we go. All right. 4030 now. Alright, 4025. No, I'm not telling it what to do. I'm asking it what to do. Asking it, you know. Talk to gold nicely. Damn, for 4100. Come on now. Come on. Don't see. That's you know, it gives you an inch and you're taking a mile. You gotta just, you know, be nice. Increments. Don't ask for nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. It's 4025 now. Let's go. Alright, just stay above the daily flip. How about that? Let's stay above the, stay bullish. Stay bullish. There we go. Lovely. Yo, trading view. Is it me or is the trading view moves very slow? Very slow. It's like it lags behind. It lags behind my broker. I have to keep an eye on my broker's prices. Haroon! What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Alright, we're waiting on some gold buys here, potentially. See how this candle closes for us. I think just the close. Nothing much. Anyone in the trades? Gold Pippins in some buys still, I believe. Jumped in before. Jumped in a little while ago. But we're waiting, man. We was hoping to catch some buys, but this 4-hour candle decided to close below this resistance, and then it's just been falling ever since. She's always pimping gold, killing golds. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Come on. Damn. I think it's that Martin Luther King picture, you know. It might be that MLK picture with the gold grills. Might be a bit deceiving. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, gold. What are we doing here? What are we doing? How long we got left? 10 minutes. All right. You know how it goes. Last 5 minutes, we get a good push. Go on. Give us a good push to the upside. Oh, 5 minute candles pushing down. No bueno. No bueno. This is not what we wanted at the end of the candle. Gold. We wanted the buys up. Stop listening. Well, it's made this bottom wick for this 15-minute candle. Oh, nah. I don't like the way this 4-hour candle looks. Nah, not feeling it. Not feeling it. Just if it had closed above that resistance, you know, gold would have been, it would have been nice today, nice, but I don't know, man. I'm not feeling this push up anymore, honestly. I mean, we're still above this last higher low on the 30-minute. We're still above. So the structure inside this little range here is still bullish. We haven't broken a low yet. So it's not, you know, there's still hope. There's still hope. There's still potential or probability that gold could push back up, you know? Look, did that 1 hour? 1 hour didn't break that low. It didn't. It came very close. It came very close, but it hasn't broken the low. If it breaks this low, it might be another story. Same, not liking the pullback to 4,010. Don't want it to dip below that. Yeah, I know, right? I know. Same. Boom, 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 boom. Man, next week, hopefully November, gold goes back to normal. We got the 4 hour candles back to normal. Hopefully. Guess no trade today. No trade today, man. No trades. Unfortunately. Do you know what? This week is always a very shit week for me. Always a shit week for me. Always. Whenever. Do you know what? This week and when it happens in summertime. Ugh, man. Been sad. It's been sad. Every time we get the clocks change, it always messes me up. Every time. Well, it's mainly, you know, the running into the New York session. That's what messes me up the most. London session isn't too bad. It isn't too bad. I had a nice trade. What day was it? When I caught the 350 pips. That's the thing. I can have like a couple trades that can make my week and I catch big moves. So I don't mind not trading in the afternoon. Where was the trades? Yeah, Wednesday. Shit, Wednesday was a banger. Wednesday was a banger all the way up. Boom. And I put that post up, that little YouTube short up. Should I hold or close? Man, I'm so glad I closed before FOMC. I think I've only taken one trade this week on live. Oh, that was a nice trade. Yeah, that was nice. And it was a GJ loss yesterday. Shitty GJ. No offense, Rosie. How's a GJ trade? Look. This is what I mean about pound yen. What is this? Look, new 4 hour candle. It had a nice drive down. It's been bearish, and then as soon as you want to get into a trade, it starts doing this. BS. But do you know what? I like how gold's closing. It's still it hasn't pushed down too much. Not too much. Still a potential that if the next candle respects this low, then we can push back up. But right now, the daily's bearish, the 4 hours bearish. If this 4 hour can flip, I think we get a high chance of pushing up. You know? Might be a slow push up, but we're respecting these 4 hour lows, so, you know? There we go, golds. Go on, just 40 pips now. 40 pips. Nope. Too much to ask for it to pull up to the daily flip. All right, so next candle, respect this low, create a support, close outside of this range. You know, I think we get a nice push. Give us the bottom wick first. But this weekend, I'm gonna be back testing a couple 5-minute strategies. I want a nice sample size to look at and see if I can implement a little 5-minute strategy on stream. See if it matches with my bias. So that's my weekend. You know, start November right. So I'm still going to be using my old strategies, of course. Like, I never drop my old strategies. I never do. Yeah, man. Me too. I don't even see a potential for in fact, if price broke that high, you'd have the little crazy. I just see it play out here. I just see it play out right here. So you got a bullish trend, you break the most recent high. That is terrible. Sideways. When price breaks the most recent high, you look for the bearish candle before the push up that broke the high, and then that's your retest level. That's your retest level. And then you wait for price to come down, tap your level. You can take a very aggressive entry as soon as price retests. We have your stop loss below the candle low, but you only look for a 2 to 1. 2 to 1. Wait, so I'm looking at the wrong thing. There, like that. So that would have literally been the trade right here. Or if you have a more conservative entry, you wait for the candle to close, and then you get in on the candle close, stop loss below, and still looking for a 2 to 1. Like that. That's how it goes. I'm not a fan of the M30 engulfing and what looks like an M15 continuation pattern. Look at this push. Look at this push. Oh yeah, was it M30 engulf? Nah, do you know what? I don't mind because of structure. So I'm just thinking about the structure on gold, right? As long as gold doesn't come down to this most recent level, boom, you know, so this is what I can see happening. You know, now we should get a higher high. Maybe we'll get a deep pullback again, but as long as it doesn't, you know, close below 40.16, yeah, then I like it, you know. Come on, gold, push, push. Benny, you still got your seatbelt on and helmet. One of them special helmets. You need a big helmet for gold, boy. That ride was a little bumpy, but come on, gold. Oh yeah, oh yes. Now here we go. Blast off. This is perfect. Break this high and then just go. Let's go. Bullish is daily is bullish. 4 hours bullish. Good. Come on. Feel this wick. Just needed some structure. Just needed some structure. Structure's looking good. All right, go to the moon. I don't like that it's hovering at that this little resistance here. It's kind of retested it and dropped back a little bit. Go on, push past. Push this little resistance. Go on, just blast. Blast through. Break the high. Feel the wick. That not changing. There we go. Come on, go. Pick a struggle. Don't be the struggle here. Thinking closure above for buys. Okay. I mean, just 20 minutes left. 22 minutes left of this candle is just, it's so long. Yeah, 20 minutes is a long time, but I mean, gold could do it. Oh, gold's boring me, I'm not gonna lie. What is this, man? It's playing about. Maybe I should jump off the stream and then, you know, that's when gold blasts off. Maybe I should just... Alright, guys, have a good one. See what gold does. That's when gold likes to take off as soon as I leave. Oh, see? It thought I was going. It thought I was going. Barely any bottom wick. It's true. Not the superstitions. Hey, it's just one of those things. It's one of those things. Like, do you know what I mean? It's one of those things. Price pushes when Gbpjpy gets out. It takes off when I end the stream. It's just something that happens. It's something that happens. But you know what, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. You know, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here because I can't take any trades just yet. I don't have a setup for anywhere until gold. Literally, maybe an engulfing here. Maybe an engulfing. I don't like the setup of gold right now. So I'm not gonna force anything. I'm not gonna wait it out. If it plays out, it plays out. But this price action right now, I'm not gonna try force nothing with it. So what do we have? I think we went over next week already, like yesterday. Yep, we got some PMIs next week. We've got pound interest rates next week. It says we have ADP. Cool. So we've got something. NFP, and that's not confirmed with the government shutdown, so we'll see. But yeah, guys, have a good weekend. Be safe out here. Gold is playing all the games. It doesn't have much of a bottom wick on this little 30-minute 15. Ugh, yeah, I can't. All right, guys, peace out. It's been fun. Thanks for joining, and yeah, have a good weekend. Peace out.